I'm Buddy Bros Bible, and I'm Labour Party candidate for Governor of Lagos State.
Stop crying. Crying will not solve anything. Instead, it will add to our problem. One thing I believe is that the gods of this land will remember us at the fullness of time. So stop killing yourself.
That is what everyone keeps saying. That is what you keep telling me. When is that time? When is that time? That is the question. Okay, where have I gone wrong? What sin did I commit that the gods are depriving me of my rights?
Stop talking like this. Huh? Do you want to incur the wrath of the gods? Huh? And I want you to understand that the ways of the gods are different from the ways of men.
They should follow my own way now. I don't understand their way anymore. They should just follow my own way. For once, my husband, let them follow my own way. Am I asking for too much? 6 years of marriage, nothing to show for it.
It's okay. You're not asking for too much, okay? Just calm down. Calm down. Here, Diogo.
You don't seem to understand. You don't even have the slightest idea of what I go through every day while walking along the road. You don't understand. So I will not blame you. You need to see how the women look at me. You need to see their stare. Sometimes I feel so ashamed of myself. I'm less of a human.
Grace, my wife. I feel the same way you do.
No, you don't. You don't.
I don't know how to explain it to you. Do you know that, like you said, when you go along the road, if I go our age grade meeting, do you know what I see there? Do you know what my age mates will tell me when they go around with their own children? And I don't have anything. I don't have even one child to show. I know what you feel. I just want... My own is even worse. Do you know that they deprived me of some of my rights in the age grade meeting? Even in my kinsmen, there are things I don't do because I don't have a child. They will ask me, who will represent you when you have journeyed to the great beyond? Huh? It's okay, it's okay. I know our God will surely remember us. The gods of this land will surely remember us. Okay? It's okay, just calm down.
Hey! Otenko, where are you going? You are going to where you will drink according to your song.
Let's look out for. Let me tell you. Stop thinking of what your friend this wicked evil man Okonu told you?
So what did the Okonu tell me?
Oh, you're asking me. You think I don't know? Okonu Gawala. Ayana Gawala na fear. You wanna go?
Then, please, I don't have your time. As you can see, the heaven is not at peace. They are angry.
Yes.
You can see the roaring, you can hear the roaring of the thunder.
Yes.
So I don't want this rain to pour on me.
It's supposed to.
Who told you that?
Forget about who told me. Don't ever take a new wife. I'm gonna.
Otenku, are you a spirit? How did you know that my friend Okonu told me that I should take a new wife?
You're asking me. I've told you. I'm warning you and I've done I cannot see. Don't try it.
Well, no problem. I thank the gods that I declined.
Don't ever try it.
Otenku, are you a spirit?
I'm gonna.
Something we just discussed. Ha!
What's this?
Thank the gods I declined. Please go. The rain is fast approaching. That is why you see me with my umbrella.
Why would the rain fall? When the evil is on our land? I'm rebelling there. Why? The rain will fall.
Ndidi.
Nani.
Come now, come with the food now. What is happening? On a milk is question anyone.
Nani.
Where is the food?
You soon be ready. Huh? Just exercise a little patience. I am. Nani. I heard something.
What did you hear? What did you hear?
Okay.
Good or bad? Tell me.
I heard what you told Okafor. You advised him to go and marry another wife. And Nani, why will you give him such advice? Why?
Indeed. What is wrong for Okafor to marry another wife?
Everything is wrong, Nani.
Since the wife cannot give him a child, why not, he has to go and marry another wife that will give him children. You see, when you look at Okafor's age, the age is telling on him. He's no longer a small boy. Do you understand me?
Just look at your mouth. Huh? Look at your mouth, Nani.
What is wrong?
You. Are you God that gives children, Nani? Are you God?
I'm not God, but this is the right thing to do because the grave is inviting Okafor. He's very close to the grave. He has to go and marry another wife.
That was very. It's very unfair. And why will you give him such advice, Nani?
It's fair.
It is not.
It's
fair.
Not. The man is dangerous because of the kindred. Because if he did not marry and get issues, it means that the children collect all his properties and the land. Then he will be a.
And how does that concern you?
It concern me. Listen to me, woman. If that is you, I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Since it is not you,
but you are lucky.
Your mouth shut.
Because you are lucky and no other person can marry you. Nobody will marry you with your age.
Let me tell you, that is very unfair.
Will you get away you from
it's
my
very
face?
Unfair.
Get away you from my face. It's very unfair. Look at you. Look at you. You stupid woman. Why should you go and tell Okafor this and that? Don't you see Okafor? Can't you reason very well that Okafor is no longer there? Very soon now, Eligwega Akogwa will come. Eh?
Why?
Akrika, the mouthpiece of the gods, I greet you.
You need a baby. What is stopping you from going in and carrying that baby carrying in the bush? Why are you afraid to go and carry that baby?
Great one, I was so scared. I don't know what to do.
That baby crying in there is the dryness of your tears. This is a great opportunity for you. Go in and carry that baby. It's God sent. The gods have given you a baby. Your baby. Tugariba.
Thank you, gods of our land. I'll forever be grateful. I'll love you till the end of time. I promise you. I promise you that nothing, absolutely nothing will separate us. Nothing will come between you and I. I love you so dearly.
What is wrong with you? Huh?
What?
Why are you sleeping and talking? As if you're in a dream. Are you dreaming?
Yes, my husband.
Hmm?
Yes, I was dreaming. I was in a dream. The ghosts gave me a child. Yes, and they said the child will bring open doors to us. According to what Akrika said.
Akrika?
Yes.
So you saw Akrika in your dream. That means the dream will come true.
Yeah, they said something else. They said, hey, yes, they said the child is God sent.
Okay.
Yes.
The gods of our land sent
The child. Yes. But,
Well,
it's just a dream. I wish it would just come to pass.
it's okay.
Instantly.
It's just a mere dream. Sleep. Let's go back to sleep. I am.
Grace, are you serious?
Hey, Ndidi, my friend, I have never been this serious in my life. In fact, Akrika told me himself. Hey, my good friend, the gods have remembered me. Oh.
Gracie, Mama.
Mio.
I'm so happy for you. You have suffered a lot.
I have.
See, I cannot wait to see this God sent. I can't wait to see it.
See, I'm in a hurry as you're looking at me here. What
My friend, take it easy. Don't allow BP to kill you.
BP.
Take it easy, because
BP. Kill me. Grace. See, Christ has died on the cross of Calvary. And he said what? It is finished.
it is finished,
He
my
has
dear.
carried everything. No, there.
Oh, yeah, everything. Hey!
Who is building this mansion?
Is Ikenna?
Ikenna? From Omogam?
No, the other Ikenna.
Okay, the one that came from South Africa.
or London?
Oh, London.
Okay, London. Then you know everything. So the workers are still working at this time of day?
Since morning, even while it's
Look at what they are eating.
Hey! Masogafo, apotoli munye. Masogafo, apotoli munye. Beautiful woman.
Itenku.
It's me, Ite. We are no other one.
Itenku, please say what you want to say. We are watching that building.
Gregory, the gods has remembered you. Start dancing to the gods.
Dancing?
Yes.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Don't tell me you don't understand what I'm talking about. Even you, Okafo.
I don't know what you're saying. So please, Otenku, tell us.
In your dream, the gods gave you a child. And that child is a blessing to you. And it's about to happen now. No,
wait, please. Don't go.
As it goes, I give it out. Just like that. Move on, do your work. God send. Oh yes. Don't bandits, you know.
I think my dream is about to come true.
Where is that coming from?
You're still saying the same thing. I think what happened in my dream is about to happen now.
Come here. Where are you going? Why are you entering the bush? Huh? Is it because of the baby's voice we heard? Wait, now since the dream is about to come true, you will not just go and carry the baby. What name are you going to give the baby? I think they told you the name in the dream, like you said.
Yes.
So what name is that? Let us conclude first. Before you go and carry the baby, what name are we going to give that?
Okay. The name I will give the baby. I remember vividly, I saw a baby girl. Yes. The name I'm going to give her is Chiemeli. No, it's not Chiemeli. Ziterem. I'm going to give her Ziterem.
Yes, that means God sent. It's a nice name. The name is very good. Okay, let's go together then. What is keeping the king? Odogu. About the kids are married. You are welcome.
Once again, you are welcome. Our great king. You might be wondering why we are here. Well, we are here again to talk about the upcoming Ofala Festival. We're waiting for you to say something about it. You've not said anything about it, so we're here to hear what you will say about the Ofala Festival.
Yes, Your Highness. You have been silent since Agrika, the chief priest, made mention of Ofala Festival. You see, we did not hear anything from you again. Is there anything wrong, Igwe?
Your Highness, please talk to us so that we know our stand.
My elders, you have all spoken well. I am doing something about it.
Your Highness, with due respect, what do you mean you are doing something about it? We don't have time.
Amadio, will you shut up? Shut up your mouth. Are you talking to our king like that? Huh? What do you mean that you don't have time? You want to give the Igwe time? Yeah.
Okay, what is your own? Are you the Igwe or Igwe interpreter? Huh?
Osando, I can see I've lost respect for Igwe.
Okay.
Oh, my elders, I've not seen anything bad in what Osando said. I mean, we shouldn't quarrel over it. There's nothing bad in what he said.
I know you will not see anything bad in what he said because both of you are birds of the same plume that conjugate towards the same proximity. I know you.
It's your effort. Mind your words. It's your effort. I said, mind your words.
Oh no, keep quiet. What do you mean? Easy for what? Why? Did you hear him? Why should he talk to the king like that?
Enough.
I mean, it is improper.
Calm down. Let's have some quiet. Enough.
I can see that you have all lost your sense of decorum. How could you be seated before me, the king, and you're shouting like market women?
We are very sorry. Forgive us. This is what you have caused.
Who? This meeting is over. You may go home now.
No, more another.
Take it easy.
Sorry, my queen.
You black and red witch.
Sorry, my queen.
Take it easy now. Do what you do. You witch.
Sorry, my queen.
I don't like the way you spoke to me inside that place. I don't like it at all. You are a problem.
Mazioka.
Greetings, my queen.
The queen.
What is going on?
Nothing serious. Nothing is going on.
Mazioka, don't tell me nothing is serious. I just saw you people arguing for something and you are telling me nothing is serious. And the meeting is for what?
Hey, the queen. It's because of the Igwe's of Valor that is coming up very soon. But Igwe did not say anything reasonable to this issue. That is why there is an argument. And knowing fully well that is our tradition and custom of our land, Igwe is doing like this. I don't know why. It's because of that too.
Why is he behaving like that? What happened?
Wait. The answer is best known to him. And you are the one to find it out. Because I was near Amaronkiage Umri Abayon.
Yes.
We beg to take our leave, Biko.
But please, Mazi Okafu, you are in a good position to tell me what is going on.
You see, when you get inside the bedroom, you can discuss the issue with your husband. Just say the king.
Mazi, you never change.
How can I change?
So please try and find out. Yes. You can equally tell us when you find out.
I know that's what you
let us take our
because
leave.
it's our custom and our tradition. So that the death will not come inside though.
But just say this date by the side. Always saying death.
When will you keep the death by the side when something is wrong?
Yes.
Huh? When
you know something is wrong. Why don't you tell me what is wrong?
That is why we told you that you should get the answer from him inside the bedroom. Yes. I got Kroger.
Yes.
Let's go.
Why is he silent? I know there is something more to this offer, and I must find out. What is it? Come get out of my face! You stupid element! get shit. You're here reading what I don't know when there is no firewood in the house.
Shama, what do you mean? Have I not been the one doing all the errands in this house? Please. Please.
And so, does that mean that you won't do anything in the house? Eh?
Shama, what do you do in this house? No, tell me. What do you do in this house? If not to eat, eat and eat. Please, Chioma, I'm begging you. Allow me to read. I don't want your trouble today. I don't want your trouble.
Are you calling me a troublemaker? You're calling me a troublemaker. Wait, Mama must hear this. Mama! 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 Come and hear what this Jesus guy is telling me here, oh! Mama is coming. Look at her here.
I don't understand what is going on
Mama,
here.
I came out too. I saw her reading her book. As a good girl that I am, I told her to go and fetch firewood. She's still insulting me.
Eh? Chizitereha.
Mama.
So it has gotten to the extent of insulting my daughter, my precious daughter.
Mama, that's not how it happened. Traumate, Mama.
Don't trauma me. What truth? Are you calling me a liar? You're calling me a liar.
What do you mean? You're calling her a liar? No. Eh? Are you calling her a liar?
Mama, no.
You're calling her a liar? Eh?
Mama, the truth.
You're calling her a liar?
What truth?
Mama,
don't trauma me.
You are very lucky. I am very.
Yes! 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 Peter! Yes! You will die in my hand. You will die in my hand. You will die in my hand. You look at my precious daughter and you're insulting her. You know how long you think this will happen? Mama, this is the way it can be. You will die today. You will die. You will die today. Idiot. Idiot. Oh yeah.
That is the one I don't want to hear.
Nonsense.
Good night.
Firewood! No.
Did she beat you?
No, she's not touching her.
Why are you red now? Only Korea, you've already turned red.
No, Mama.
You want to read your own book?
Yeah, yes.
Are you sure you want to read? Or you just want to rest?
Yes.
Rest. Where's the book?
Don't come back here without the firewood, though.
Dima, Esther. Dima, please come.
Where are you going by this time with a rope?
Dima, my mother asked me to go and fetch firewood. Please, are you going?
I don't know if my mother will let me. You know it's late already. But let me try.
Please, try. And be fast.
And where do you think you are going?
Mama and Dewo.
Chidinma, I am asking you, where are you going to?
Mama, I want to go and fetch firewood with Sister.
Firewood kill you there.
Please. Sister, I'm sorry, yeah. I'm really sorry. Oh?
Don't worry. I know it's not your fault. I have to go now. Thank you.
Mama, it is unfair. It is unfair. It is not good. Will you get inside? I said get inside.
Yes, but she's very well. Almost 2 days now. I've not even had time. Before she talk more of rushing it.
Wow. Oh dear. Nwunye n'ọma ị na amụrụ na-achọ mma dị ego. Choma, get me a cup of water. Be fast. How do you go?
So how did the meeting go?
It was not smooth at all.
Hey.
The whole thing ended in argument. Igwe got angry and dismissed everybody.
Argument? But what prompted that?
It's a long story. Where is Cheese then? What? She went to fetch firewood alone?
Before Uncle. Wait a minute, were you expecting me or my precious daughter to follow her? To the bush? You want her to go and risk her life in the bush?
Did you say before Uncle?
Before Uncle.
With this your mouth? Before Uncle? When you know the position of that girl and you are saying before Uncle? Listen to me, what you're doing to that girl is too bad. It's too bad. Odroma is not good. And I'm warning you for that. I'm warning you.
What's wrong with someone going to fetch for her? I don't know why you people you like making me look as if I'm wicked. She just went to fetch firewood. What's that? My husband, you like portraying me bad, negatively. You're talking as if I'm a wicked woman. You want my daughter to follow her there and get hurt? Don't you know that it's very risky for her to enter that bush? Let's just that she go, Biko. Ha. Come here, man. You ain't gonna want them one.
Greetings, Zitaram.
Greetings, Ezemo.
Don't be afraid. The gods are always with you. You are a special child from the gods. The gods brought you. Wipe out your tears. Stop crying and wipe your tears. They will always protect you. The gods will send you a helper to help you fetch the firewood. Don't be scared.
Thank you, Ezemo. Thank you. Come on, stop there. Come back here. Who is your mother? Who is your mother? Mama. Zitra, Mama. Where are you coming from? Mama, I went to fetch firewood.
I am not blind. I can see that. What kept you so long?
Mama, I started coming back immediately I fetched the firewood. I did not waste any time.
Hey, you're calling me a liar?
No.
No, I'm lying now.
No.
Zitra, I'm lying.
Mama, I did not say.
Did you just call me a liar?
No, Mama.
Eh?
Mama, no.
You did not come your work. You did not come your work. You know your work. Your own is to count.
Give me. Can you teach me one more? Why do you hate her like that? It's okay.
Oh, look at the time. This girl is coming back from fetching firewood since morning. Thank you, Papa. Huh? Just like that.
See. I've told you I don't like the way you're treating this girl. I don't like it at all. I don't know why you hate her much. It's not good. Somebody who suffered to go and get firewood for you that you use in cooking. Instead of you to welcome her very well with a warm smile, you are flogging her. It is not good.
Instead of me to welcome her with a warm smile.
Yes!
As what? Obrag?
Why not send Chioma to go and fetch that firewood for you?
Yes. Abomination. It's not possible.
Okay, India's I mean, so draw possible. After suffering fetching firewood for you, all you could do to say welcome, no one, you use cane as if you're killing a snake that ran into your compound. It's not good though. I've warned you. Open your eyes. It will open your eyes.
If she die now, did she die early?
Be careful and stop flogging her without my permission.
Continue. Instead of you to be supporting me, you're supporting her. I've told you before. They have sent you Zidreha, but you may zipudi.
What is keeping you fools? Is the food not ready?
I'm sorry, my queen.
I don't understand. You are sorry for what? The food is not ready.
The food is not ready. It will soon be ready, my queen.
Hey! I am hungry. I want to eat food. You are telling me the food is not ready. Eh? I want to eat food.
I shall go.
Ugo, what is it?
Why not take it easy? Igbo is not even yet back.
And by the way, who asked for your opinion? I am hungry. I want to eat food.
What did you just say? Hey, mind the way you talk to me. Don't ever talk to me in that manner again. Have you forgotten I'm the head queen in this house? Yes.
Head queen, my food.
I don't blame you. But don't ever address me like that again. Do you understand me?
Hey, you fools! Come back here. Come back here. And who asked you to leave?
Sorry, my queen.
Sorry for yourself. Get out, you stinky smelling Ezi. Ndiala Ezi fu. Ezi mlango. Le go do umaka ipotara fa le Ezi. Umaka ipotara fa sa agwa gi. Look at them. Commoners. They don't know how to cook. Family is sinri. By this time, first be hungry.
Why don't you go to the kitchen and prepare meal? What happened to your hands and your legs? Can't you go to the kitchen?
A whole queen like me.
Which whole? What makes you a whole queen?
Queen,
go to the kitchen and prepare meal and eat.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Mercy, how may I help you?
Your Highness, Queen Ugodia seeks for your attention at the dining. Food is ready.
Tell her that I'm not hungry.
As it pleases you, Your Highness.
Gods of our land, why have you forsaken me? Why?
What is it? Igbo Chamber 1 of Amuku Kingdom. My unshakable king. The pride of Amuku Kingdom. Odogu. Talk to me. What is it?
My queen. My pride. Do not worry yourself. I can handle myself.
I know it has to do with our childlessness.
You're right to go there. You see, the Ofala festival is coming up soon. And I cannot host that festival if I don't have a child.
Your Highness, I don't want you to bother yourself. You are not the gods that give children.
You're right. I know I'm not the gods that give children. But why have they forsaken me? Why?
Don't talk like that. They have not forsaken you. Don't sound like that, please.
Then what will you call our childlessness? What will you call that?
I may not have an answer to that. I don't even know what to tell you. But my only assurance is that the ways of the gods are different from ours. I want you to relax, please. Everything will be all right. Please, I beg you. Everything will be all right. Everything will be fine.
Okay? Easy. What did you cook?
I've not started cooking already.
What are you waiting for?
The day is still young.
So you want me to go?
Papa!
Zitara,
Papa!
you look so happy. What happened?
Papa, Mama, you know our teacher asked us to come to the school today to collect our results.
Yes, you said it.
Papa said, I took the first position again.
First position again?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, no. Again?
Yes, Papa.
Hey, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Papa.
Are you done talking? Just that and you're shouting, making noise.
Grace.
Sir?
Can't you be happy with this girl for once? Huh? Why this hatred? Somebody who made first position in her class, and you're not happy with her. Now look at this one. Huh? Hey, I know she will fail. It's written all over her from her mood. Huh?
Papa, it's not my fault.
No, it's my fault.
She's telling the truth. It's not her fault.
Yes, it is not her fault. It's my fault. Or it is Ziterem's fault. We told her not to write.
You're supposed to be pitying her. See the weather. They did not give her her result.
They did not give her her result.
Yes, they didn't.
Or she threw it away while coming home.
I know what she told me. I know what she told me during the exam. She was writing. At some point, the biro stopped writing.
Okay, the biro stopped writing. Only for her. Others biros were writing. Just watch, listen to yourself speak. Like mother, like daughter.
Huh?
Yes!
That is the one I will not like. I will not take that one. I won't take that one. Better leave my daughter for me. Okay,
I have left your daughter for you. Go and eat her.
You suffered today. All the things that you wrote, they refuse to give you results.
Look at how you are deceiving her. She suffered today because she failed.
Can't you see the song?
Mama. You know what? I am very proud to call you my child.
Thank you, Papa.
What you have to do now, just go and think of anything I'll buy for you.
Really, Papa?
Yes.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you so much, Papa. Let me take it inside.
Take it inside.
Thank you, Papa.
And come out and tell me what you would like me to buy for you.
No problem, Papa.
Today is today. Come and make it.
Good. The
The opportunity I've been waiting for is here now with me. And I will not give a second thought to grab it. No, I will not. Hey. This is cold.
Dad.
Hey, my son.
Dad, is everything okay?
Everything is okay, my son. Everything is okay.
But you're talking to yourself.
Okay, I was thinking aloud, and I was soliloquizing. Sometimes great men like us do behave like that. But actually what happened is that an opportunity I've been waiting for is just around the corner, and I must grab it.
But Dad, you're still getting me confused. What do you mean by the opportunity you have been waiting for?
My son, you will not understand. It is quite deep. You will not understand, but you will still understand when it's time for you to understand. There's no problem.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay. Hey!
You're still worried about our childlessness.
No. Your Fala festival is fast approaching. The people of Amuku are clamoring for the celebration of Ofala festival. And you know I am handicapped to celebrate that festival. What am I supposed to do? The eyes of the gods. You're welcome.
Igwe, greetings.
Ezemo, a toad doesn't run in the daylight in vain. It is either something is chasing it, or it is chasing something. To what do I owe this uninvited visit?
Heavenly Dondoro Kido, Heavenly Do. Heavenly Dondoro Kido, Heavenly Dondoro Kido, Heavenly Dondoro Kido, Heavenly Do. Igwe. Why have you not fixed the date for the Ofala festival? That's what the gods are asking. Igwe, the gods need an answer.
Eye of the gods. I am working on it.
You are working on it. Keep working on it. Continue working on it. But remember, Igwe, you are going to present your flesh and blood on that day. Time waits for nobody. Igwe, time is of the essence. Very new the radio. Very new the radio. Udene bajanu. Very new the radio. Very new the radio. Udene bajanu. Igwe, time is of the essence. Igwe, be fast. Be fast, Igwe, be fast. Hey! What is it? Yes!
James, pick up, please. Pick up. Yes, pick up. doctor. Pick up now. That stupid doctor is not picking up.
Try it again.
I'm trying. James, speak. Please.
Just keep trying. He will pick, okay?
Finally. Hello, James. James, please, we need you here. Right now. Please, we need you here right now. The king is unconscious. Please. Stop saying all this. Just come here right now, eh? Alright.
What did he say?
He said he's coming.
Baby.
I can't find your car. Where did you drop it?
Oh, my car?
Yes.
You know the road is very bad, so I decided to park it up there.
So you mean I'll trek and go?
Oh, no. You cannot trek home.
Okay, that means you will back me.
Of course I would. I would do anything. You know I love you.
I know.
My sweet pie. My honey pie. I thank God for giving you someone like you.
Me too.
You know, I'll take you to the side.
Serious? Hey!
No be your answer.
Asa, what are you doing with this guy?
Who are these people?
Who are we? Who are these people? We. Me, okay? Like you now. Asa, like you now.
Wait. Asa, who are these village touts?
Yeah!
I don't know them.
Let out. Mona, tout. Bia.
Do I know you from Adam or Eve?
No, you know us from Nebuchadnezzar. See, this Long John might tell you. This Asa is the CISO. Na Ikena's girlfriend.
God forbid.
They have been dating for 2 good years.
It's a lie.
You have been hustling for 2 years. It's a lie. Wait.
It's a lie.
Asa is a lie.
Wait. Is it true?
Never. I don't know them.
As I say, you don't know me. You don't know me again. And you, Kevin, I will deal with you.
I don't understand.
Don't worry.
Young man, I don't understand what is going on here.
Do you hear me? Calm down. Calm down. You, Kevin.
Lolo, you see, we are here to know how our king is doing, because we heard what happened to him.
Yes, we are here to be with him.
He took care for his right. We are here to support him. Yes.
You people did well, but the doctor is attending to him.
Oh, that's good.
The
Yes.
doctor?
Yes.
That's good to hear.
Yes.
It's good to hear. All I know is that the gods of our land will never have such thing happen to us.
Yes,
He will recover.
Yes,
He will be fine.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hey! I like this well. If I don't get I
For a very long time, I have not seen you this happy. Did you win a lottery?
My son, I did not win a lottery, but I'm about to win something that is bigger than lottery.
Daddy, and what's that you're talking about?
Hey! I got the news that our king is suffering from heart attack.
Heart attack? But how?
Africa went to him to tell him about the upcoming Ofala festival. And you know that without him having a child this time around, it will be difficult for him. And that simply means that he will be dethroned. And some other person that is capable will climb, which is no other person that don't know. A man not you know.
Daddy!
Hey, this is good news.
Good news.
Wait, Daddy, you mean I, Kelvin, will become the crown prince of Amuku Kingdom? This is good news. Oh my God, I need to call my friends. Daddy.
But the only thing is that as far as this struggle is concerned, follow me and make sure that we succeed in this struggle.
Daddy, I will do anything. Hey, Daddy.
Hey!
This is good news. My elders, you are welcome. Let me go and drink coffee. Why are you here then?
We are here for us to tackle the illness of our king. That is why we are here.
But the doctor said that he will be fine. Yes, that's what the doctor said.
Mazukon, we are not talking about his illness.
Then what are you talking about?
Mazukon, Chiago is right. We are here to tackle our king's childlessness issue. How to help him out.
And remember that Igbo Shemba is our king. I will have to help him out about his childlessness.
Mazukon, Ichioku is right. Ichioku is right.
You all have spoken very well. But how are we going to help him? How can we help him? Yes.
I suggest we go and visit our chief priest, Akreka.
Ichioku is right. I think it's the best solution.
Yes, I think so too.
Okay, now, which day are we going there? We have to fix a date. We cannot start moving now without knowing the time the man or the SMO will be at home. Huh? Either are we going on the K day or for Orie? We have to say something.
I suggest Akreka used to be in his shrine every Ekede.
Okay.
And next Ekede is 2 days to come. Let's go.
So in 2 days' time, all of us will go there.
Yes.
So there's no problem.
If you
It's
say
a good
so.
suggestion.
Listen and listen very attentively. I am not your mother. Read my lips. I am not your mother. I am not your biological mother. I am not the one that gave birth to you. Hear it now. Hear it. I cannot give birth to a fool.
Mama, I know you are angry with me. But I'm your daughter.
No. Before I close my eyes and open it, just disappear from here now. You are not my child.
Mama.
I picked you up from the bush. If you do not know, hear it now.
Mama.
I'm an adult. I hate to tell lies.
Mama, no.
I am not your mother.
I know you're very angry with me. I know, but I'm your mother. I'm your daughter. It's me.
I'm a cuckoo gone now. Leave this place. Get out. Useless thing. How can I give birth to somebody like
Have you guys heard what is happening in this palace?
My sister, this is no longer funny. I heard that the king will step down because he doesn't have a child.
Oh God, I pity the Igwe. He's such a good man. He's a very good man. He does not deserve this at all.
You are right. You are very right. But this is the rumor going around the village that he will step down.
The gods of our land, why have you forsaken our king? The king really needs a child. He deserves it.
Gods of our land, please grant the Igwe heart's desires.
He say. In this our community.
My mother told me that she's not my biological mother. She's not my biological mother. That I don't even relate to her. Not even by blood. Not even my bloody devil.
I see. You mean your mother told you that? Huh?
Yes, it did. Yeah. But why are you not surprised about it? Don't tell me you know something about it. Don't tell me that you know something about it.
Actually, I know it.
Hey!
But it's not in my shoes to tell you that.
No wonder Mama and Chioma has been maltreating me. They have been maltreating me. But it's not my fault. It is not my fault.
It is not your fault, my dears. It's not your fault. Yes. Is it them? Is there one in there?
Is there
one? Just get up. Let's go.
No.
Let me take you home.
No, I want to die.
I'll take you home. Let her go.
Come and give me devil. I want to die. I want to die. I want to die.
Get up. Let's go. This is not for me down, because if I fall, I'll fall, cook or foul. Get up. Let's go. Why you want to
Greetings, eye of the gods.
Yes. Welcome, elders of Amuku Kingdom.
Thank you, wise one.
Umunna, why are you people here looking for me?
The eye of the gods. Our people say that the toad does not run in vain in the daylight. Either it's chasing something or something is chasing it. It's because of our king childless issue. That is why we are here. Is it not? It's true. Yes.
Yes, wise one.
You are welcome.
We are here for our king, like my Okon said. We are here because our king does not deserve this.
You are welcome. Mbragwo gra 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 gra. Onro dibia ka mbragwo gra gra. Mbragwo gra 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 gra. Onro dibia ka mbragwo gra gra. Hey. My elders.
Wise
one. If they tell me something, I will tell you. But if they didn't tell me anything, I will say nothing. You know, I am not in the habit of saying when they have not said anything. The gods are still silent on this issue. The gods are silent on it. But they are interested in King Ochemba fixing the date of the next Ofala festival. That is their interest.
But wise one, kekwe ka ga sime onye okuwa ka ije wee kwa ojiji maka mam na mmiri adi ari ogu.
Yes.
According to the tradition and the custom of this land,
yes.
Ima na mmiri adi ari ogu. It says that a king without a child cannot perform Ofala rituals.
Actually, according to our tradition, it is so. Then who are you to question the gods? The gods have spoken. And what they said is, this is the date of the Ofala festival. Why are you questioning them?
I'm not questioning them.
Elders, go
the great chief priest. Priest, talk to us.
Laban, go. Are you saying that you should go?
You should go and convince the Igwe, tell our chamber that the gods of our land, Amuku Kingdom, said that he should fix the date for Fala Festival. It's not our concern whether he has a child or not. Let him fix the Fala Festival date.
Why
go?
My queen, the king is recovering very fast.
I thank the gods. May they be praised. And I also thank you, Dr. James, for being there for us. I don't know what we would have done without you.
Hey, don't say that, my queen. I'm only doing my job. Igwe is like a father to me.
Thank you, my son. May the gods of our land bless you.
My king, I have to take my leave. Thank you very much.
You may go now.
Bye-bye. You go.
How have you been?
I'm fine. The others were here the other day to see you.
They've always had my back in anything.
Your Highness, I think it's time you take a third wife so that she'll bear us children. Please.
I'm tired. I can't even control Achaluga. Now you want me to marry a third wife?
Your Highness, we can't stay like this. We can't stay like this without children running around in this house. Forget what Achalugo will do. We need children. What about our legacy? Are we going to end up like this? Childless? Please.
Okay, I'll sleep over it.
That's a lot better. Thank you.
My queen, so how is the king doing?
That one? He's still lying on his bed. That is the only thing he knows how to do now.
That was soothsaying. Yes. So, like that, you see, there is something I want to tell you. I would like you to come to my house tomorrow. There is something very important I want us to iron out.
What is it you want to discuss? He's getting better.
Greetings,
He's getting better.
He's getting better.
Yes,
Doctor, so how is the king doing? How is he doing?
Actually, he's getting better, gradually.
He's getting better?
Yes.
Are you sure? What a good news. That's good to hear. I'm so happy. I'm restless. Are you sure he's getting better?
Yes, he's getting better.
I'm so happy. It's good news to hear. Wonderful. I'm so happy. Yes.
Onowu, I have to take my leave. I have some other people to attend. You know the nature of our job.
Yeah, I know the nature of your job.
Take care.
Our God is your strength.
Yeah.
You say he's getting better. Yeah. Oh, thank God. Thank God. You will come. That's my woman.
Trust me.
That's what. But what do you do for me, please? When you're coming, make sure nobody sees you, please.
Don't trust me.
Let me see the thing.
All right. Who knows what he wants to discuss with me? But I'll go and find out.
Wame
Why do you like creating sin? Why do you like drawing unnecessary attention? You love pity party a lot. So you're here crying instead of cooking?
No, Mama. Mama, I'm cooking.
Huh?
I'm cooking.
How? Then stop lying. You were not cooking. Thank God, Mama, you met her when she was crying.
Mama.
Your tongue is 100.
Mama, I'm sorry. I know I was crying, but I was also cooking.
That's what I'm saying. We are still saying the same thing. You're cooking. You're crying. Only you. Magician. When will you stop lying? Eh? Why would you like maltreating me? What have I done to you? Where have I gone wrong?
Mama, forgive me.
Where have I gone wrong,
Mama, please forgive me.
Eh?
Forgive me,
okay.
Mama.
You need a little beautification.
Mama. Mama.
Show your eyes.
Mama.
Okay, show your eyes. Let me control you.
Mama.
Eyes. Mama. Beautiful makeup. Now you look beautiful.
Mama Pepe. Mama, I need water. Pepe.
Wait a minute. I should give you water.
Yes, Mama.
As what? As one in Samaria. As the Samaritan woman that gave Jesus water, now I have to present another water to assistant Jesus. Mama. You're sending me an errand. I should get water for you.
Mama.
Carry the backup.
Choma, please, I need water.
Stop calling my name, dear. You witch.
Choma, it's not fair. Mama, please. Hey, Papa! Papa!
And who is your father? Who is your father?
Choma, please.
Okay.
Papa!
What is it?
Papa, my eyes.
What happened to your eyes?
Pepe, my eyes. I need water, Papa. I need water to wash my face, Papa. My eyes.
You like creating help. Did I do anything wrong? Did I do anything bad?
Mama, please, I need water. Dima.
What happened?
My eyes.
Your eyes?
Pepe, in my eyes. Pepe. Please, Papa. Papa, I need water.
Nigeria, you've landed.
Papa.
You are not Close your mouth. It's okay. Sorry.
Papa. Papa.
What is it?
Papa, I can't see.
Just Pepe.
It's a lie.
What do you mean by you can't see?
It's a lie.
Papa, I can't see. Papa.
What do you mean you can't see?
Papa, I can't
you see me?
No, Papa, I can't see. Dima.
Yes, I'm here.
Where are you?
I'm here.
I can't see.
You see me? Hey, Jesus. What is this now? Hey!
You see where your
Hey!
Okay, stand up.
Get up. It's okay.
But I can't see.
You mean you can't see me?
I can't see.
Huh?
I can't see. Papa, I can't
What type of food is this? It's tasteless. Is it not abufako? There's nothing to show that it's so fako. How much did I give you this morning? What type of... This is poison.
Eat now because
I can't eat this type of food. I can't eat this type of food.
Papa, oh! Papa, Mama!
My daughter.
Ogini.
My daughter.
Papa.
Who is after you?
Papa, no one, no.
No one is chasing you. It means that you are mad. You are an idiot. How can you start running, shouting? Eh? I nearly have a shock, thinking that something is wrong.
Papa, Mama, Sister has gone blind though.
What? Hey! How?
I said it.
How did it happen?
Mama, I don't know. I go there, she was shouting pepper.
This wicked woman, this Jezebel, has done something to this girl.
Please, don't insult my friend. Don't accuse her.
Your friend?
Were you there when it happened? Were you there?
Now I can see what the wise man said, that the best of the same feather often congregate in the same proximity. I know you will support evil.
Why won't I support
And
her?
since you have been going to that woman, your character has changed.
Let it change.
I will not eat
Let it, don't eat.
I will not eat this.
Don't eat.
You are an idiot.
Don't eat. Don't eat. I will eat it. It's my food. I prepared it. I will eat it. Why would I accuse my friend?
What have I done? I have lost my sight. Come to my rescue. Oh Lord, what have I done?
Stop crying now. Stop crying. It's okay now.
Dima, how can I stop crying? Oh,
Terem, please. Everything will be fine. It's okay. Please.
Oh Lord,
Stop
what
crying.
have
It's
I
okay
done?
now. It's okay. Please. Oh, it's okay now. Everything will be fine. Don't worry.
I have lost
Don't
my
worry now.
sense.
Everything will be okay. Stop crying.
What is wrong? I'm looking at him, see small. It's not good. You scared me now. I've been calling you since morning, switched off. Okay, when it started ringing, you did not pick. Honestly, at some point I got scared. Let me call you back. Let me call you back. Let me call you back. Stop there. Stop there. Blind Bartimaeus. Blind Bartimaeus, where do you think you're coming from?
Mama, that word is harsh now.
Who is this one? The last time I checked, I never seek for your opinion. Neither did I ask for your opinion. Now get out. I'm a boy.
Mama, who do you respect? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to leave my friend in this condition.
Hey!
Please don't worry. Go. I'll be fine. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure you'll be fine?
Yes. Let's go.
Hey! In my own household. I said get out! I don't blame you. Because I'm being soft. I don't want to hear Mama. So, Blind Bartimaeus, what made you think that you can just leave the house anytime you want and come in anytime you like?
Mom, I'm sorry. I just stepped out.
Man, I see level. He just stepped out. As what? As the king's princess.
as the princess with her age, her entourage. Makachineke, eh? If your hand touches me, I'm a jumoke. Idiot. So you think you can do anything you like inside this house? Eh? Chairman! Mama, I give people that come. Go inside the house. Get me her cake. Her own cake, no, not the previous one. The most recent one. Yes. If that your hand touches me, I'll tell you, you've grown wings. You will collect it 100-fold now.
Me, Mama.
What is happening? Why can't our king get a child of his own? I pray that things will get better soon in this land.
What have I done? I have lost my sight, never given me. Chimo, come to my rescue. Oh Lord, what have I done?
Mama, you can't stand. Every part of me hurt.
Hey, this is too much.
Look at bruises all over my body.
Grace! Gracie! Obuko will get back to husband. Grace, why are you this way? What has come over you?
What did I do?
Huh? What did you do? Is that question for me? Look at what you did to your own daughter. Mwiburu, 9 months. Look at what you did to her.
Just look at what I'm looking at you. Okafor! So as old as you are, you cannot tell the truth for once. Let the name of the Lord be glorified. Why are you lying? Is she my daughter?
It's not
Is it my daughter? Am I the one that gave birth to her? For your information, I have just one daughter, Chukwuoma. And besides, I've not seen her today. I don't know what you're talking about. Eh, Ziterem?
Grace. I've warned you to stop treating this girl this way. If you try it next time.
What will happen?
Grace, if you try it next time.
What will happen?
If you try it.
What will happen?
A hang on him. Manage. Let's go inside. It's okay.
Help her. Simon of Sere. The 14th station. Simon and Sere help Jesus to carry his cross. I've seen you.
Your sins shall find you. Your sins shall find you. That's why you want to kill this girl.
One said, good Samaritan. See the way you just carried her. The other day I felt that. Did you help me to get up? Did you? You were all over.
My child!
What is it? You look worried.
My queen, I'm fine. It's just that I had this terrible dream last night.
Really?
And I'm worried.
Please tell me about it.
I saw a child in my dream, and she was calling out for my help. Not only that, I heard her call me father. I'm confused.
Wait, is that all? This was the dream you had?
Yes.
Your Highness, this is good news. Maybe the gods are about to bless us with a child. Are you not happy about it?
My queen, you're right. You're right.
All you have to do is just to calm down. Don't be bothered about it. I mean, this is good news. A child is about to land into this family and I'm happy about it. Everything will be alright. Okay? In fact, this night, this night, I will sleep beside you in your room. How about that?
That's alright, my queen. In fact, I think I need someone beside me.
Good. I know you like it.
At a time like this.
Greetings, Your Highness.
How are you, Obi and Mas?
Fine, Your Highness. Greetings, my queen.
Thank you, my lord.
Achalugo, what was the meaning of that?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
You better be. Well, I have come to the conclusion of taking a third wife.
Really? You want to take a third wife?
Of course, yes.
This is like the best news I've heard today. Please go ahead, look for someone else. Okay?
Ngozi, I don't even know what you're saying. Your Highness, why are you taking another wife? You can't take another wife.
Achalugo, relax. Please calm down. You and I know that there's no children. There are no children in this family. Ever since they married us into this family, we'll not be able to give birth. Why won't you relax for His Highness to go and look for somebody who's going to bear children for us? What is wrong with that?
Good, I can see you don't know what you're saying. In fact, you have gone mad.
What? You insult my queen before my presence? I can see you have totally lost your sense of belonging. You have lost your sense of decorum. You have lost your sense of humanity for you to stand before me and insult my Lolo. You have lost it. You are now insane.
Your Highness, please, forgive me.
I tell you, where do you think you're going?
To my room. I'm going to my room.
Achalogo is really daring me.
It's okay. Your Highness, Ochendo, one of Amuku Kingdom, Ogadagidi himself, Odogu Wake, it's okay, please. Whatever she has done, forget it. It's okay.
Achalugo,
you look so sad. Did anybody find your trouble? Did anybody look for your trouble?
No.
What is it?
I am very sad. I am very angry. Nobody looked for my trouble. I can't believe this.
I don't understand what you're trying to say. You can't believe this. Meaning, I don't understand. What did that? Who did that? Don't worry, my son. He knows everything. Don't worry, he knows everything.
Welcome, my queen.
Kevin, how are you?
I'm fine, my queen.
Where are you going to?
Yeah, Dad, I want to see my friend and get some things from the supermarket.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, please, I'll leave you both right now.
All right.
Take care, Dad. Take care.
All right. Take care, yeah?
Take care.
So, what actually are you saying? What's happening?
In fact, right now I feel like killing someone. Do you know that the king is planning on how to get another wife?
Huh? Forget that one. Never! It will not happen. We will not allow that. Because if we allow that, this one that is coming might just give him another child or give me any child. Which is not good for our plan. It will just spoil every of our plan.
As I'm telling you right now, my brain hurts. Oh no, I don't know what to think again. No, it's better you do something.
Don't worry. You know what I can do. Nothing. I will handle it. Forget
do
it.
something. No.
Forget it. You know what is going to happen? We will use our former plan A. That's what we're going to use. Don't worry now. Okay?
Alright, we'll do something.
Definitely.
No,
just be fine.
My brain hurts.
My son is not around.
It's hurting me so much.
My son has gone.
I know. I know where you are going.
My noble elders, I called you all here to inform you about my decision.
It's okay. We are here to know the decision you've made, at least to know whether you've agreed to fix the Ofala date, which is very important. Yes.
No, who allowed Igwe to land?
I wonder. Igwe, please go on.
Oh no, don't worry. I will fix a date soon, which is the sole reason I called for this meeting.
Igwe, talk to us. We are all ears.
Thank you. My elders, I have decided to take another wife.
Bam! Bam! What are you talking about? Igwe, what do you mean of this? With all due respect, this is what are you saying? Instead of you to tell us about the date we're here to deliberate on, to know the date for the Ofala, you're telling us about getting married to another woman. Is that what we're here for?
Exactly, Your Highness. Fix the date for the Ofala festival. Before calamity, before on us.
Will you shut up? Look at. Will you shut up? Shut up! Why should you talk to the king like that? I can smell conspiracy here. Look at Onu saying that Onyana Agwibe Afane. A whole rule that is second in command talking to people like this. I smell conspiracy. If there is anybody calamity will befall on, it is you. Because you are talking to the king anyhow.
Okafor, it's you and their lineage. Calamity will be followed.
Shh! If you repeat that word again, if you repeat it again, I will show you what the fire does with the ears of a
Okafor, not do anything. Do not do anything!
Igwe, what Ono is saying is right.
I don't have to fix the day before any other time. Look at the way you are talking to Ono.
Well, it's your captain. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my king.
My elders, I have heard all you have to say. Your contributions are okay. But like I said, Abinishi, I have made my decision, and my decision is final.
As the Igwe has said, so shall it be. Igwe, I'm solidly behind you. Thank you. This is what we should be hearing.
And so now, how did it go?
In fact, today's meeting, I don't understand it. You see, Igwe is planning to get on another wife.
Hey.
Yes.
That's good news, though.
What is good about it? What is good about it? although some of the elders supported him, but we want him to fix the date of the Ofala first. That is the most important thing, because it is our custom and the tradition. Before he was on that throne, this is our custom. He has been following us doing all this things.
Nani, you want him to fix the date?
Yes.
Let me ask you. If it were you, will you fix the date?
What are you talking?
You and I know fully well that if he eventually fix the date for the Ofala, that means he's stepping down.
Now.
He's stepping down from the
step
throne.
down, let him step down.
Hey, why now?
See,
Let us just pray that maybe this wife now will be fruitful.
Woman, listen to me. I don't have any time for that your argument as of now.
We're not arguing.
It's an argument. I don't have any strength for that, please.
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Oh.
Okay, no problem. No problem, but that of valor is important.
My husband, I know you must be very tired. Let me turn it for you.
Yes, you're very, very
Can
tired.
now eat.
This is good. Very nice.
You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Eat. So, how did the meeting go?
It's okay.
Why did he even summon all of you in the first place?
The king is taking a third wife.
Hey! Well, if you ask me, I will say it's good news. Yes, since the first wife, the second wife could not give him any issue. So he's supposed to take another wife.
Grace, remember, it's the gods that give children, not men. Or have you forgotten our own story?
Please, don't even go there. I have not forgotten. But the elders, what are they telling me about it?
Well, some were happy about the decision and some are against it, you know. There's no way a decision will be taken
Let's
like
not
that
discuss
and everybody will be against it.
Thing is giving me a flashback that I don't like. I just don't want to remember my ordeal.
That's all right.
Meat? No, I want to take the meat.
Why will you take the meat?
Because I don't want to eat.
No. My father told me that if you do not eat food, you will not as well have the meat.
That is your own father. My father told me that if you don't want to eat food, you can eat meat.
And decision of my father is final. I
don't
know. Wait. Okay, take the other one. Let me just make it right.
Africa.
Hello.
The greatest chief priest of our time.
Welcome.
Hey, I say let me come and see you.
No, you're welcome.
Yes.
Why are you here?
I am here for something very important. But before we open up, I can hold this one. Hold it.
Hold your gift.
Hold
your gift.
Okay, first.
I ask you again. Why are you here, Ono?
In fact, there's no need hiding this. I'm here to tell you my good intentions of becoming the next king of this our kingdom.
Oh no. Is the throne vacant? Is our throne vacant? You want to dethrone the king? Or do you want to murder the king? What is your intention? I ask you again, what are you saying?
It's for the good of our land. A man that is impotent cannot rule our kingdom.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Huh?
Be very careful before the gods strike you dead here. Since when have you become the mouthpiece of the gods? Are you now speaking for the gods?
what I'm saying, maybe you do not understand what I'm saying.
Make me understand.
I'm saying this. A man that has no child, how can he perform the Ofala ritual? You know it's not done. Huh?
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh no. Oh no. No pin. Now get away from this place. Go home.
But
what? I said leave! Leave this place before the ghost will strike you dead! Run away!
Anabagum. Magonara fegare komodo.
Segin abandon Just imagine him. Huh? What kind of greedy human being is giving me bribe in front of the gods and the ancestors? This evil man. On your job, man. Wicked man.
I don't understand, Otengu. What is the meaning of that? How can you call you know of the land, or have you forgotten, or are you not seeing clearly? How can you call me an evil man? What's the meaning of that? Why are you saying that?
Okay, I will shout. Everybody will hear me now.
Shout what? Shout what?
You think I don't know that? I don't know that you want to destroy Igwe Ojemba.
Who told you that? Because I wasn't there. Who told you that?
Oh, yeah.
Who told you such fallacy? You know, it's not any of that thing I'm talking about. Man, who told you that?
Is it the word does not have yes? Yeah? I like one thing. Nonsense!
Let me hear what you're saying. Say something else. You say what?
Then I will tell everybody what you are planning to do.
Now listen to me. I did not do any of the things you're saying. I can never think of it. You understand? But you know, you know that. So for this reason, you know, take this money and take care of some problem. But you know, don't talk about me again, Pico.
What are you holding? What is that? Oh, you want to bribe me? I don't know. You can never bribe me, this woman. Can never take bribe.
It's not bribing. I'm not bribing you. I'm only telling you, just have this so that it will calm down your whatever, my selenolan, whatever. Let it calm me down in one my and that's all I want. Yes.
Okay, no problem. Nonsense. I will take it just for my drink.
That is wisdom. That is wisdom.
Yes.
Yes, even in the midst of your being an alcoholic, you have wisdom. You have wisdom. But take it. Take it.
Temple does not take bribe or anybody.
Yes, this one is not bribe. Take it. But as you're taking this, please bear in mind. Don't even think of calling my name again. Just like I said, I'm
going.
You are going, but don't ever talk about me, please. Oh?
No need of counting it.
You don't. If you count it, you will say that it's okay. Drunk, but he knows everything. Hey, who told this idiot? Who told him this? What am I going to do? Can he hang him and pick on? What do you want to be here? I know what to do. You used to go, and anytime you do all this rubbish, you go free. But my own side, you don't go free. Make me a begging. I will deal with you.
Oh Lord, what have I done? I have lost my sight, they will give me. Chimo, come to my rescue.
Greetings to a good woman with a heart of gold.
Greetings, my dear. Wait. How did you know? Because to my notice, you are blind, right?
Yes, you're right. I am blind, physically, but not spiritually.
Okay. So, tell me, what are you doing here all alone?
I came to fetch firewood for my family.
Wait. Did you say you came to fetch firewood? How? How do you intend to do that? How is that even possible? Don't you have siblings?
I do. I do have siblings. I have a sister, but my mother won't let her fetch firewood.
Oh, but how do you intend to achieve it? I mean, how would you even fetch firewood in this condition?
I did. I bring her here every day.
Oh, greetings, beautiful maiden.
Greetings too.
Please, did you say you help her to fetch firewood every day? Like she comes here to fetch firewood every day in this condition?
She does all the housework.
Are you serious? Oh my goodness. This is wickedness. You mean in this condition?
We have to go now. I don't want to get home late.
Okay, it's fine. Just take it easy, right?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Please take it easy.
Oh Lord,
be careful.
what have I done? I have lost my sight, they will give me. Chimo, come to my rescue.
See, when Mama has finished harvesting planting her cassava.
Is this rainy season? Rainy season started early.
Hey, Ndidi, my friend. Have you heard?
Heard what?
Don't tell me that your husband don't normally tell you the outcome of their meetings in the palace. He didn't tell you.
He didn't tell me anything. What is it? Talk now.
That our Igwe, Igwe Ochemba, has decided to take another one.
Oh, that! He told me about it.
Hey, the third one.
Yes. Honestly, I am so happy.
Me too, I'm happy for him. I just pray this third one brings joy.
Happy?
Fruitfulness.
Honestly.
That's the most important thing.
I pity for him.
Everybody has been clearing their own.
I will start my own by next tomorrow.
I've not done anything.
Daddy, what is eating you up again? What is the problem?
My son, something bad is about to happen, and I'm thinking about it. Yes. Do you know that the king is about to marry the dead wife? And you know what that means? Yes. If in any way the dead wife gives me a child, that simply means that my plans of becoming the king will be a forgotten thing. Yes.
That is, you are right. And I know how you feel about this.
but I suggest we kill the king.
Lower your voice.
Daddy, that's the only option here.
Somehow, but it's not the only option now. We are still working on plan A. Well, if the plan A fails, then we can now, that one should be plan B. Okay? That one is plan B. Don't think about it. Let's finish with plan A. Yeah.
Okay, but Daddy, I think you should start convincing the elders. Make them fake promises. You know, if they're by your side, they will help and make our plans very successful.
You're right, my son. I'm doing that, and I will do more. Okay. I'm also very happy that you are supporting my moves. You're a great son.
Yes. I will always support you. But Daddy, please, try as much as possible to bring this royalty here. I want us to be royalty. I don't want us to miss any opportunity.
I need it more than you. Yeah, I need it more than you. And God, I'll do it.
My king, my daughter Sister told me that you want to see us. That's why we're here.
No, Ichioka. My Sister is your daughter?
Yes, she's my daughter.
Ichioka, I know you as a good man. I don't expect you and your wife to send Ziterem on an errand in that state. What if something happens to her?
Well, I was in Yamaronki. I get on. I'm so sorry for what you've just said, but I think that question should be directed to my wife. Because I've told her severally, stop sending that poor girl on errand of such magnitude. But she will never listen.
Grace,
Your Majesty.
Are you sure that girl is your daughter?
You mean Ziterem?
Yes, because I don't think anybody can treat his child like that. Are you sure it's your child?
No, yes.
She's your child?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Baron, you and I know that we don't bring up our children like that. Both of us are mothers. You don't bring up children like that. You don't treat them like that. Is it good?
Hey!
Hey!
I never knew what I was doing was wrong.
Hey!
Because me, Gracie, I was only following what the scripture said. It says, train up a child in a way that is good, so that when she grows up, she will never depart from it.
And that's the best way to train up a child in a way that is good in your eyes? Eh?
It's not good.
Are you asking me?
No, I want to know. When you come to think of it, it's even Zitere that is even maltreating me.
Eh?
She makes me shout. Just that you don't live with us. If it's bad, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry.
You better be. Now you can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty. We'll take our leave now.
Your Majesty, thank you very much for coming to this meeting.
Thank you.
Calvin, my son.
Dad.
Give it to them.
Oh no.
My able cheers.
Oh no.
My able elders. You are welcome to my house.
Oh no.
I am so happy I invited you people and you people came. You are welcome.
Oh no, thank you very, very, very much.
Oh no, please tell us why you summon us.
And why are you giving us this envelope? Calm down, he will tell us. He is here with us.
Yes.
Osando. I'm not talking to you.
Shut up!
I'm talking to you.
Shut up! Baby, calmness. You people know that I don't like warrior. I don't like it. Anyway, the envelope in your hands. Each envelope here contains 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira for me? Oh no.
Yes.
Oh no.
Yeah, let me tell you, this is very small thing. Yeah, if we accomplish our plan, you will be getting millions.
Yes.
Oh no. Consider it done.
Okay.
Nearly 50,000 naira.
Consider it done.
On Sunday. Consider what done. What is happening here?
And where are you giving all this money?
Anyway, I'm not hiding my plans. I'm a man that loves this kingdom so much. This community, I love it with my life, and I want the best for this community. And that is why I call you people here to tell you people my mind is this. I want to become the king of this land.
Yes.
The king of this land.
Oh no. Are you planning to kill our king?
No, God forbid. Am I a killer? Have you ever seen me kill somebody? I'm not a killer. I'm only here for us wise men like all of us to deliberate on this fact. How can we allow an impotent man to be ruling us? I mean, it's wrong in the midst of capable men like us. So we need to dethrone it so that somebody that is capable like me who does climb the throne. That's what I'm saying.
Abomination. Count me out of this.
Ishiago, wait for me.
You can go.
Oh no. Ishiago, as I said before, wait. Consider it done.
Ishiago, wait for me. I can't be part of it.
Oh no, as I said before, consider it done.
Oh no. As of me, I'm not planning to drop this money.
Abundala.
Whether you like it or not, I will take this money. I'm not going to drop it.
You pack all of them?
What is your business?
No.
What is that?
It's not for you. The 50,000 you are taking your own. So what I'm trying to say, thank you very much, Osondo. Two of you, I thank both of you.
Oh no, don't mention.
For being there for me, but I want to know, what do you have to say?
Oh no. As of my own very self, I'm not planning to drop this money. Ijebego no when you husband Abago. Igwe.
Oh no, you are the next king.
Igwe Jebego.
Oh no, you go no channel.
Kai kudi. Oh no. From one to Igwe. Pow!
My elders.
Yes.
You see, the mission has just begun, and I promise the both of you that the both of you will never regret working with my father and I.
Good.
You know who my father is.
Yes.
Do you know of this kingdom?
Yes. Lion.
And if he becomes the king of this kingdom,
yes,
and I the prince of this kingdom.
You are the prince already. Yes. I myself, oh no, will.
I promise you all that you will have a reason to rejoice.
Yes.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Africa.
Greetings, Chief Priest of our entire kingdom.
Why, Mama? Greetings to you too.
Africa.
Igwe.
What did the gods say this time?
I had Tebunikwe. I had Tebunikwe. I had Tebunikwe. Igwe. The gods have given you 14 Ekemake days to fix the date for celebration of the Ofala festival. Failure to do so, Igwe, calamity. Calamity will engulf the entire kingdom.
Africa. It is not that I want to disobey the gods. But how can I fix a date when I know fully well that I can't perform the ritual?
Igwe, I understand where you are coming from. But the gods have spoken. And remember, the ways of the gods are not the ways of men.
I will try my best. I will do my best.
chetakwa na ikpe dị na mmụọ o gburu nwanne ya ṅụrịkwana ikpe dị be ndị mmụọ o gburu nwanne ya ṅụrịkwana chetakwa na ikpe dị na mmụọ o gburu nwanne ya ṅụrịkwana. Lest I forget Igwe. Be very careful with your cabinet members. Caution, Igwe, caution. To avoid dethronement, be very careful. Somebody wants your throne. Somebody wants to dethrone you, Igwe. Ubu nwanne ya ṅụrịkwana. Chetakwa na ikpe dị na mmụọ. Ubu nwanne ya ṅụrịkwana.
Igwe, who would want to dethrone you?
I don't know. I have no idea. I haven't wronged anyone.
Don't worry. The gods will vindicate you. You know what?
Vegetarian. So you mean this is what you have been going through?
Yes, Obioma.
Oh my goodness. You went through all of this. You have really suffered.
Yes, I have. Sometimes I felt like ending my life.
Don't say that. Don't you ever say that again. I'm an orphan too. I lost my parents a long time ago. But you know, seeing you has given me a reason to live again.
What do you mean? It's a long story. But here is what I want you to do for me. From today henceforth, I want you to see me as your own elder sister, your blood sister, while I see you as my younger sister. Right? Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I really appreciate it.
It's okay. You're welcome. It's okay. I'm happy I now have a sister.
I'm so happy too.
You know what? I'll help you get the firewood inside so you can start going before they find a reason to hit you today again.
Thank
Alright?
you.
Give me a few seconds.
Alright. Thank you, God of our land. I finally found a sister. Thank you.
Grace, my sister. Hey, wonder shall never end. You said you and your husband greeted Achaluko and she snubbed people. But what really happened?
Do I know? Do I know? Well, I don't blame her. It's not her fault. If not that witch went and reported me to the king and the queen, I wouldn't have received such insult today. Hey!
Witch? Which witch are you talking about?
Is there any other witch? Zitrema, of course. Talk of the devil. And she appears. Talk of the devil. She appears in 7 colors. Plenty colors. Ogun.
Mama Deo. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Later you people come and tell me that. Hey, stop there! You tell me that she doesn't know what she's doing. She heard 2 voices and greeted 1 person. You are telling me she doesn't know what she's doing. Eh? Drop that in there.
Please help me to carry it down. I can't carry it.
Of course, the mama cannot be me. It can never be me.
Hold on, let me come and help you.
Wait.
Mama, come here. Stop pretending like if you don't see. Hey. So it has gotten to the extent of packing everything that happens in our house. You go to the Igwe's house to drop them.
Mama, no.
You want to report me to the king and the queen, eh?
Mama, I did not report it to anybody.
That is one thing I hate about you. You can lie. Lie to somebody.
Mama, no.
So you're...
Hey, don't you think you are being unfair?
What is it?
You're being unfair to her.
Unfair how? Unfair how? You know how this girl has been maltreating me in this house? Ever since she came into my life, I've been shouting. Just go and take your gun.
Your Highness, we come to find out why you refuse to fix the death of the Ofala. That is why we are here.
Yes, Your Highness. If you can't take decision now, you step down for a capable man to rule us.
Yes. Awesome. What are you saying? Huh? Are you out of your senses? How dare you talk to our king in such manner?
Okafor, what type of manner do you want us to use? To talk to the king? We are tired of harboring an incompetent man on that throne. I'm telling the truth.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Even you, Con?
Yes, he's useless there.
So you are also among the prophets?
Yes, so you don't know that I'm a prophet?
Diamond, listen to me. Listen to me. When you see the truth, you say the truth.
Yes.
The truth is...
Who is listening to you? Is it me or the
You
king?
should listen to me. The truth sometimes is bitter, but you have to say it.
Yes.
Yes. What they are saying, anyway, with all due respect, I have to tell you this. What they are saying is right. Step down for another person to...
Yes.
To ascend the throne. If you are not capable, then...
So you will rule, right?
Is it not obvious that ego is impotent?
Arrow.
Yes.
Abomination.
Yes.
Other things are coming out.
Abomination. A na-ekwu na nchijuru ahụ nsi onye ngere wara ọhịa.
Whatever.
So, but if I may ask, who is feeding you all with all this? Who? Kedu onye na-ete ofe atụrụ ji wee na-arakwu agba? Onye dị ife a?
Oh no, of course. He has been giving them money.
Will you shut up right there? Eziokwu ka. Ihe agba n'aka ejiri enyo enyi. Onowu ọkwa mkpụrụ onye kụrụ ka ọ na-aghọrọ. Mkpụrụ onye kụrụ ka ọ na-aghọrọ onowu. Hey! Onowu ọka ede. Akwụ ka ịta ka ọka eze gị dị odowu.
My elders.
Igwe.
I'm sure you are all aware that I have a new wife.
And then?
And she needs my time, not this.
Yes, of course.
This meeting is over.
No, Igwe,
I said this meeting is over.
As the king has said, so shall it be.
You spoke.
Onye kwuo okwu ebe ọzọ asa abụọ
Let's go.
Una.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Come to me. Come right here. I don't bite, I'm not a dog. I promise to take it slowly. Why are you having double mind about this?
Your Highness, no. I'm all yours, Your Highness.
Then come to me.
Oh,
oh no.
How spirit have woman.
Oh no, my very good friend.
You are great. The greatest.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's been a while.
Yes, it's been a while, I know.
What do I do for you?
You know that the two does not run in the daytime for nothing.
I know, you are very right. Akokaria, speak. Obu is here to find a solution.
I must say it. Bam. He's about to chamber our king. He's my problem. That man has refused to give up. He's refusing to give up. He refused. For me to be the king, so that he would just step down for me to be the king. He refused. Do you know that this time around now, this man, he has married another wife. Third wife. And my fear now is that this third one might end up giving him a child. And that will ruin my chances of becoming the king. I want you to kill him for me. Kill him.
Hey! Hey!
Kill him.
Huh? No. I cannot harm the king.
I don't understand. I said kill him, he said harm. I'm not talking about harming. Kill him the way we used to kill.
Oh no.
Huh?
King and his entire household is covered by the gods. No harm shall come upon him. In fact, that household is covered by the gods.
Obu, what is wrong with you? Wait. Obu. Is he way stronger than this giant we killed the other time? Is he stronger than him?
I have one good news.
What is the good news?
The king cannot impregnate a woman. Never.
Yes, I know this. Igbo is important. I know it. It's important.
No, he's not.
What do you mean?
Yes, he's under a curse.
Under a curse?
Yes.
So which means I will become the Igwe?
Yes.
I will become the king?
Yes. But on one condition.
What condition is that?
Oh no! Huh? You must kill Igwe's only child.
This is your problem. Sometimes when you are entering your office, you drink. Yeah? This is the alcoholic administration.
Oh no!
This is alcoholic. How are you telling me? Because Igwe have a child. Igwe does not have any child.
Oh no! The king has a child, but he has no idea of it. Yes.
That's good. Because the has opened this secret to me.
Yes.
And that means I have to make a fight. You know what, You have to kill the child for me. Kill the child immediately.
Oh, no.
Kill the child.
Oh, no. Hey, no. Huh? I cannot kill the child.
Why again? What is wrong with you? Are you not killing again? Everyone I say kill, he said no. Kill, he said no. Have you repented?
No, the gods will strike me.
Hey, little child.
Oh no, if I kill that child, the gods will strike me. You have to pay people to kill the child for you. Oh no! Look inside this pot. Then we're faithful.
Hey. But there's a more.
No but. Go now before it is too late. Go! Oh no, go!
Hey!
Greetings, my elders.
Your Highness, I greet you. You sent for us, and we all are here. I hope there is no problem.
Ichioka, for there's no problem at all.
Oh, good.
Where is Ono?
Oh, Your Highness, Onu is not in town. He traveled this morning.
To where?
Is it your concern? Why
Yes,
should you
it's my concern. Igwe asked us to be here.
And then what about it? It's an emergency call.
Which emergency?
Yes. Don't you know?
Igwe, I hope you are here to inform us about the death of Fala.
Yes.
What? Is that not what we have been waiting for? Huh?
Yes.
Ichiago, don't worry. Osando, I know you have always been the one clamoring for the date of this Ofala festival.
Igwe, we need it.
Yes.
Well, my elders, I summon all of you to inform you that I've come up with a date. It will be on 8th Eke Market Day. I also want to use this opportunity to introduce to you my new wife. Whom most of you declined to follow me to pay her bride price.
Igwe, you shouldn't bother yourself there. Now, age you not we ate and drank that very day.
I thank the gods. Finally, you fixed the date.
Yes, yes.
Osondo, have you forgotten that you are talking to our king?
Who shut up?
You forgotten that he's our king. You have forgotten.
Don't worry yourself. Meanwhile, Igwe, as an ever and going as I will quarrel Biko, Eben Urobi Nakubam Nagabu. Where is our new wife? Over a hand, Diana, no Simon
Ladies, please bring out our new wife.
You that I am more wine. You dear. Igwe, come on, I'm a bancani. I'm sorry, Jay, to put any Igwe. I'm glad I wasted the time.
You careful, calm down.
She's here. Greetings, my elders.
Oh, greetings in the morning. Greetings, Igwe. Come on, let me join. Hook on, Odin. Huh? Hook on. Let
them go.
I come and phone you get after.
It's your careful. Forget the super. They are lost.
But no, they can go. I had that. So I'm
Please go and sit down.
Hey,
what are you still doing here? Seated next to my bed. Will you come over here?
Come over this side.
You want to stop tapping current?
Igwe, calm down. I know where you're going. It's okay. It's a very bad news.
No, keep coming. They come.
Okay. Ikenna, what's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
Why the two of you have to ambush me?
Ambush you. I told you that it will happen. I told you, and it has happened. See, I told you that you would regret this, didn't I?
Regret what?
See, question. Igwe, the king, shows Obioma over you. Let the feel him. Exactly.
Lies.
And that is how Kevin is going to leave you to another girl.
You
to
lie.
another girl.
You know that is a lie. Because soon, Kelvin will become the prince of this land. And as I am already, I'll become the princess. I can't wait.
Anyway, no problem. Let's see. Let us watch and see how it happens. Are you stupid? How dare you hit on us? Are you mad?
As what? And if I want, I'll eat all I want.
You walk here. You will walk. We will teach you how dead rats. Are you what? So we are talking about you. Are you stupid? Asa. So okay, you are hitting.
Stop hiding your face. Stop hiding your face. Stop hiding your face. I've seen it.
Uncle, please, I don't have your time.
You said you don't have my time. I said you don't have my time. I will tell the whole I'll tell the whole community. You say I should lower my voice. Yeah. You see what you have done to yourself. Greatness has led to destruction. Just because you want to be the future wife. Yes! I'm the one. We are not you in this community.
You know that Calvin deceived me.
Don't say that again. You deceived yourself. And you left Ikenna, the boy who had been loving you, dying for you, just for your selfish interest. Nonsense! This one is what is about what? Just like that, little woman and come here again.
Please, I want to ask you.
You want to ask me? What is this? I'm here with you. Bam.
Do you know if Ikenna will accept me back?
You ask me a question. If you can. Well, I don't know for that. But the only advice I can give you is amend your ways, because I'm seeing bright future. I don't know, Maru. I don't know, nonsense. Where is your fear? I'm going. Let me go and see where I go. Hey! Stop. I'm going my house to get out. They will not listen. When this thing will happen, just they will be crying like that. Just like that. Yes, just like that. It can happen.
Hello, fine girl. How far now?
Ikenna.
Angie.
How far?
I'm good though. How you doing?
I'm fine.
How has life been with you? Are you going somewhere?
As you can see, I'm going towards this direction.
Can I go with you?
Forget it. No, you won't.
Calm down. Angie, let me just tell you my mind. Angie, I'm so much interested in you. How do you see? I want you to be my girl, be your guy. Let us, be running things together in this village. How do you see it?
Ikenna, it's like you've lost your sense of become. Are you mad? When?
Indy, calm down. Calm down.
Are you mad?
Don't be in a haste. Don't be. I said I want you to be my girl. Why
As
you
what?
your guy?
As what? As boyfriend and...
Exactly.
And you are mad.
Say it. Girlfriend and boyfriend.
I said you are mad. Are you stupid? Ikenna. It's like you have forgotten. I know your girlfriend, Asa. This is how you have been going around from one corner to the other.
It's not me.
It's not you.
It's not me.
Ikenna, bro, it's not you.
Me.
It's like you are mad.
Calm down now. It's not going to that level. Oh. Calm down. I said I am interested in you. You, my girl, me, your guy. How do you see it?
Ikenna, and I said no to that.
Why no? Why?
You have a girlfriend, Asa. You think I don't know? Fool. Idiot. Stop me on the road.
It is not like that, oh. A second thought. It is not like that. Oh, wow.
How can I get this child? How can I get this child? Huh? How can I get this child? Calvin! Calvin! Wait, where is this one? Anthony! Anthony!
Oh, no,
Yes, call my son for me, Calvin. Tell him I want to see him now. Yes, okay? Yes, call him. Ah, oh no, you gonna do your call son?
Oh no, what do you Hey, oh no.
Huh?
Ah, yes.
Oh no, oh God, no. You're welcome.
We brought a good news now.
Good news?
Yes.
You sent for me. Yeah, I sent for you. I sent for you. So what is the good news?
Oh, the good news is that the Igwe has fixed the date of the Ofala.
Yes or no, the Ofala will take place on the 8th Eke Market Day.
This is good news. Very good news.
Yes.
Yeah, good news. You people can go now. Very good news.
Oh no, is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. I just want to start working on my next plan. You can go now. You can go now. Yes. Very good news. Very good news. Calvin, I want you to do a favor for me.
Not anything, I will do it.
Come. You know.
What? You mean the king has a child? Father, consider it done.
Staring will not kill me.
But Sister Ubioma, I am so happy for you. The God has really blessed you. I'm so happy.
Staring, my dear sister, you're right. Indeed, the God has blessed me. May they be praised.
You say, now I now have a sister in the palace.
Not just in the palace, but a queen.
Yes, you're right. You're
Come
right.
here. I really missed you.
I missed you too.
So how have you been?
I've been managing.
It's okay. Everything is gonna be fine.
I pray.
Okay, so let's drink up. First, here. Take it easy.
As it pleases my queen.
You will never change. If you're hungry, please let me know, alright?
Of course, I will. Very sweet.
Guys,
boss,
hope it's clear.
What is clear?
Of man.
What I mean, fire down.
When the job is being done, you get a balance.
Come first. How you dey cap like this? Just dey move anyhow. You dey normal. We just come and akaba like this, just match ground. You feel say you don't gain ground, abi? If we finish, you go bounce back. Means what now? Guys, see, me how they take rubbish show. You dey hear me now? I know if I finish this mission, you can't dey talk this, can't dey cap rubbish. In short, you know what's gonna happen to you now?
White, Ocha, I no wan wait for you.
if I wait for you, if you see what I will do, you don't go like him. That may be small. Papa, if I get you, you go here and.
Yeah, and you do. That's all carpet.
You don't have to carpet.
Yeah, mas I can't see how.
Miniature.
Yeah.
You go here and. Papa, pipe low. Give me fast. Papa, pipe low. I get him. Go finish him now. My body needs blood.
The mouthpiece of the gods are greeting.
Igwe, greetings to you too. You are welcome. Hey! Edelina Bogo. Igwe. Why is your heart filled with venoms of anger, bitterness and sorrow? Igwe, why? Why are you so embittered?
Africa, you are right. I am indeed bitter and embattled. I don't know what to do again. The Ofala festival is fast approaching, and my third wife is yet to conceive. That is why I came with this item, to know what is wrong with me. Africa, am I impotent?
Gwabusia, speak out. Hey. How can you be talking about impotency? If you are impotent, you cannot be wearing this crown. You and I know that an impotent man can never be coronated in this land.
Then what is happening to me, Africa? Why can't my wives conceive like those of my ancestors?
Chelin, monozo waye. Chelin, monozo waye. Imalo mama nigga, Igwa mefibu nobi nanga makange sikuwa. Onya jili no bulu ngwongwo kuna ata no bulu ajilija. Igwe chemba na ajuju achala hinozikwa nso. Igwe, you are the person that will tell me that truth.
What truth, Akeka?
You will tell me the truth. I want you to cast back your mind to your youthful years.
Akeka, what truth?
Igwe, did you encounter a woman called Wanyima? Imaluma maniga gwamifi bunobi. Igwamifi bunobi nanga makanga esikwe. Igwe, Wanyima is talking. Did you ever cross a woman called Wanyima? Wanyima, Imaluma, she is talking.
Yes, Akeka. Wanyima was my woman when I was the prince.
Tell me the story.
I loved her so much that I was willing to do anything for her. But I couldn't marry her because my father had already betrothed a wife for me. Then one day she came to me and told me that she was pregnant. Back then I was so young, naive and scared. I had to encourage her to abort the pregnancy. I couldn't just watch her cry. I had to leave.
Igwe, that is the root of your problem. Wanyima did not abort that child after all. She delivered the baby and abandoned her inside the bush because she was too ashamed of being called a mother who cannot provide for herself and the baby. She abandoned her in the bush and went home and took her own life. She committed suicide. But even before she committed suicide, she piled up curses. She piled up curses upon you, including the fact that you will never hear the cry of a baby in your life.
This is so sad.
Igwe, you have to go and look for your daughter.
Africa, like I said, I was young, naive, and scared. But where can my child be now?
Go and look for her. That is your own business, Igwe. Igwe, when she dropped the baby and abandoned her, there was a couple that picked up the baby and fostered her. Go and look for her. Look for them before your enemy, who is after your throne, reaches her before you.
Thank you, Africa.
Igwe, you can go. Hey, go.
If you want to be a man, you be a man. If you want to be a woman, you be a woman. A man should be a man. A woman, a woman. A man should be a man. A woman, a woman. When a man is not capable, he should not stand in the midst of people that are capable. When you are a man, be a man. And a woman, a woman. When you're a man, you should be proud of yourself. When you're a man, you must be a man.
Oh no, what is the meaning of this?
Step down from the throne. That is the meaning.
And what makes you think that I'll step down from this throne?
Because a man that is not a man that is impotent, has no reason whatsoever to rule men that are strong, capable. You have no reason to rule us. Especially people like me. Oh no. I can't. Yes.
Oh no, let's watch and see.
Ochemba, former king of Amuhu kingdom. Don't dare me. Don't dare me. I say don't dare me.
Oh no, Wako Kalia. You have bitten more than you can chew. You just touched the tail of a tiger. Can you handle it?
You have not seen anything yet. I will deal with you in this house.
Mama, are you doing this to me? Choma, please, help me with this thing. Help me. Choma, remember I'm your sister. I'm your elder sister, Choma. Please.
Please, you're not my sister.
Hey, Choma, please. Mama.
Choma.
Mama.
Why is she on the ground?
Ma, before her, she's blind. Of course, she was trying to sit on the bench when she fell.
Mama.
Chioma, that's not fair. At least you should have shown an exemplary Christian life, like your mother.
Mama, stay loud.
She's your sister, for crying out loud. Ziteren,
Mama,
you fell down.
Yes.
Child.
Sorry, my dear. Get up, okay? Let me help you.
You wanted to see?
Yes, Mama.
You should have gotten a seat for her now. Wait, first. Wait, let me clean your clothes. Let me clean your clothes. No, don't sit yet. Let me get the seat. Just stand. Have you positioned well?
Yes.
For the seat. The seat is there. Sit.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, the seat is not there.
Mama!
So, even in your dream, if they tell you that me,
Gracie,
will position a seat for you to come and sit, you believe them? Which prophet told you that one? Which prophet told you that one? Which prophet told you that one? Which prophet? Which one? You want me to position you?
Your Highness, if you continue this way, you may fall sick again.
My queen, you will not understand.
What is it I will not understand? I've always understood you. So what is it?
My past is beginning to haunt me. And it's hurting me so badly.
What past are you talking about?
I went to Africa and he said something concerning my past. I have a child with my past woman, Wanima.
You mean you never knew since you're just knowing about it now, or what?
I knew she was pregnant, but what I didn't know was that she kept the pregnancy because I encouraged her to abort the child.
How could you do such a thing?
I was so young and naive and scared. Besides, I didn't want to lose you then.
Well, thank the gods that you're not important like you said. So, but how do we bring her back? I mean, your child.
I really don't know, my queen. I don't understand. I'm confused.
I have an idea. Why not tell the guys to go look for her?
You have a point. I will do just that.
Okay.
Guards! Guards!
I have an assignment for all of you. I am searching for my child, my daughter.
Your Highness, please, be nervous. Tell them exactly what you will tell me. Okay?
Okay, you and you. I want you to go to people's houses, search every nook and cranny. And you go along the road and bushes and search for her.
Yes,
You might find her.
Yes, Your Highness.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Go now.
Thank you. What is it?
Your Highness! Your Highness! God! Please come back! Come back and help me, please! Your Highness! Your Highness! Just help me!
Greetings, my elders.
Greetings to my queen. Please, we are here to see the king. Is it not true?
It's true. I know. But the king is not well at the moment.
Huh? Is the king sick?
Yes. He's sick. Earlier this morning, he had heart attack. But Dr. James is actually attending to him.
Oh, thanks the gods. He's getting better now.
Yes. But please, my queen, what could be the cause of this heart attack?
My elders, The king actually heard that Waima had a child for him in the past.
A child?
Yes.
May the gods be praised.
A child?
Yes.
May the gods be praised everywhere.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. This is a very good news.
Yes.
Is it female or male child?
It's actually a girl.
Hey! May the gods be praised! He said, well, hey! Oh, we're going to come around.
Greetings, my elders.
Hey, the guys. Where are you marching to? Like soldiers. You're supposed to be at the palace by now.
Yes, my elder. The king sent us to go and search for his missing child.
So, this is true. Our king is not impotent.
Yes, Ichie Ago. The king is not impotent.
Yes, my elders. Our king is not suffering from infecundity.
This is good news. Indeed, this is good news.
Let the gods be praised. Okay, you can go and continue for your search. Eh?
Thank you.
Good news.
Somebody in? Hey, Grace. Welcome. How are you? Yes.
I'm fine.
Yes. Grace. Where is your husband?
Let me get a seat for you.
Okay, no problem. Hey. Hey, Grace. Yes.
How is my friend though? My friend indeed.
Hey. Yes. Let me sit down. Either here or here. Yes. Where is your husband?
He went to the palace for the meeting.
Which meeting?
That reminds me. Are you not supposed to be at the palace?
I didn't hear anything like that. That's gone by. Let me remind you of something. Let me ask you this question. Grace, why did you want to make Chiziteram's life miserable? Why do you want to useless that girl? Is it because she's not your biological child? I can remember still when you were going up and down from cherubim to seraphim, from prayer house to from bush to the road, looking for a child. Huh? Can't you use your brain? Don't you know that the young shall grow, no matter whatever? Now tell me the truth. If that the cause is from your husband, tell me. If from the girl, you know, women, all these new upcoming girls, they are useless. Tell me so that I can talk to her by myself, please.
Wait a minute. Is that the reason for your visitation?
No. I just decided to tell you something about that girl, because nobody that you see her on the road, sometimes you see her, she will be walking on the road talking. You see that kind of thing, meaning that something is wrong because of the way you handle her. Maybe.
Let me get you.
Yes. You can bring it now.
It's coming late. The kolanut is coming late, but all the same, just accept it from me.
Okay, no problem.
Leave my house.
That I should leave your house?
Leave my house. That's the kolanut. Leave my house.
No, I will leave your house. So it has gotten to this because I tell you the truth.
Which truth?
Now you are getting angry.
Is that truth that will kill you?
You are embarrassing me. It will kill you too.
Leave my house, Miko!
Thunder, fire you! Fire this your mouth! Animal!
Look at who is talking to me.
Yes, I'm a human being. Yes, I'm supposed to teach you what you don't know. You are useless and a wicked woman.
Gracie, you have suffered.
You will later regret.
Regret what? What? Calling her to black.
That's how you go about talk, nothing. Look where it is. Nonsense. I thought you came for something. Hey.
Love you.
My husband. You're welcome. I'm fine, thank you.
I hope all is well. I have overheard you shouting down there.
Oh,
and I saw Okonu living angrily. Why?
Okonu? From where?
From this house.
I saw him the way he was just, on our tamu. I don't know.
You didn't say anything to you and you did not say anything to
Do I talk?
Super.
Hey. How was the meeting?
So are you trying to tell me that you did not say anything bad to my friend Okon?
Whose report will you believe? What you saw or what your wife is telling you? I said nothing.
It's okay, it's okay. About the meeting, we went to the palace, but we met the third wife, Obioma. We couldn't see the king, so we discussed with her.
What happened? Is the king sick?
Actually, the king was sick, according to report we got from his third wife, Obioma. And again, he told us that one of the reasons for his sickness was that he found out that he had a child somewhere from a lady he dated in the past. So that is it.
A child? Hey! My husband, if you ask me, I will say this is good news.
Yes, in one way it's a good news.
Yes.
Then in the other way, the king is sick.
Hey.
But we pray that he recovers quickly.
Hey, I wonder who this child is. I pray the gods help him locate that particular child. Hey.
Know it.
Excuse me. Oh no, I don't understand. You mean you know all this?
Yes, I know all this. And I've been searching for that girl everywhere. That's why I've been searching for that girl, because I don't want anything that will stop me from staying on that throne. Yes, I don't want anything that will stop me from taking over.
Oh no, but you should have told me. Oh no, you should have told me. Yes, I could have been of help. Why do you hide it from me?
Anyway, my darling, don't worry. I'll handle it. I'll handle it.
Better do. Better do. I'm not happy.
Ichiokafa, I summoned you because you are the only one I can trust and seek advice from.
Igwe, in fact, you have said it all. But I want to know that which is disturbing you. What is it?
I went to see Africa to know what is wrong with me, to confirm the impotence they say that I'm suffering from.
It's a lie.
Yes. Only for me to find out that I had a child with Wanyama, my woman back then.
Wanyama?
Yes.
My king, honestly speaking, your story is not different from how my wife found Jesus there.
Ichokafo.
My king.
Are you trying to tell me that Chimziterim is not your biological daughter?
Yes, she is not.
I think Chimziterim is my unknown child.
I have no doubt because she is God sent.
Please, do me a favor. Take me to see my unknown child, please.
What is going on here? I hope we're not interrupting anything.
No, not at all.
Hey! No one. Your new wife.
Both of you came at the right time.
Oh, Your Highness, what's the excitement about? Talk to us.
Hey, I think I have found my unknown child.
What?
Yes.
Yes.
That's good news. Your Highness, who could this person be? Who could she be?
Chiziterem.
Really?
My daughter is his unknown child.
What?
Lolo, Chimziterem is my unknown child. My unknown daughter. May the gods be praised.
Wait. Did you say Chimziterem? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Thank the gods.
Yes, we really thank the gods of this land.
Yes, please take us to her immediately.
Yes. Can we go and see her?
Oh, the great Libya. My man.
Oh no.
Okay, Dibia. Ogu na dondojo. Na dugu bando mo. Ego wo bo onye mbondo na atu ya ka mana.
Oh, if I
have come to seek for your help. I'm telling you. This time.
What do you want me to do for you?
Ogu. Igbo Chemba has finally found out that he has an unknown child. And what I want is that I don't want him to find that child before me. I want to find the child before him.
No. Let me consult the oracle. Hey. Nene kene ori nena for nenu nkwonu. Ekene ori na for na nkwonu. Onye sisi gbuo egbu, onye sisi egbu na hapụ. Nenu na igirigi ogu eh. Hey. Inagwanu mmụọ na-egwa mmadụ. Egwu inozikwa na-eme. Kedu nke bụ na ga-eme gị n'iru mee gị n'azụ? Ọ bụzikwa mụ na-ekwu ikuku ebu mkpu gwanụnụ m okwu. Hey! So what?
What is that?
Hi. Igwe has finally found the child.
What? It cannot happen.
Hey! Uma, shut up. Don't talk when Ogu is talking.
Ogu, please don't be angry, but the most important thing here is that you are the only hope I have to do something for me. Kill this child. Please.
Oh no. This is very dangerous.
Why?
It's like we are going against the cause.
Or whatever, I don't care. I mean, kill the child.
Mm-hmm. It's okay. It's bad.
You kill every time. Hey! Why would this one be difficult?
What him? Get doing. Kopota kebu. Hey! Mmu na ye jolu ono mume. Ngba bu mutani anu ke wori e weru nu ke ri e ka anu. Kopota. What is that?
Guys, una dey fuck up oh. Una dey useless.
Wetin dey solve now? I got them for this cabal, come dey talk anyhow.
You dey ask me question. Ordinary small girl why say una waste? People did not even do anything. And you are just forming what you are not.
Shut up.
Now wetin?
Oga never see person wey come this our caban. Cause they are nonsense they give us the craze. What dey worry you? I will leave you. Don't try am again o. Nonsense.
Hey, it's enough. Enough. Why they talk to you? I say enough. Young man, where's our balance? Balance kill you there. I said balance kill you there. If you not complete your job, I'm not gonna pay you. Now me you dey talk to. You don't know where I be. I dey talk to you, they touch me. You dey okay? Now what's in the worry yourself? Ah! If you not finish, are you talking to me? Now what's in? Oh! This is his guy, Joe!
Greetings, my people. I summon this gathering to announce to you that I have found my unknown daughter. And it's no other person than Ziterem.
She is Ziterem.
Ziterem. Ziterem, my daughter. Please sit down. I also want to officially announce to you that I have chosen a date for the next Ofala festival. And it will take place on the next 2 Eke Market Day. Allow him. Akalugo, so you have been against me all this while.
Please, don't harm ourselves.
Oh no, let's face our fight.
Please.
Don't involve my daughter in this.
Remember, you are making the first mistake of your life. Yes, because she is the cause of everything. She is the one that is trying to stop me from taking over the throne. That throne belongs to me now.
Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, what is your problem? Why are you calling me?
You are digging your grave like your son did. Oh no, just let me tell you, your son is dead. Ongo.
That my son is what? My son is dead? Okay, if my son is dead, then I'm going to kill her. She's going to die with
please. Oh no, please. Please. Oh no, please. Oh no.
Oh no, the gods have tolerated you so much for a very long time now. You will pay with your life.
Pay what?
Oh no!
Let him die!
Oh no!
May the gods be praised.
Gods of our land will thank you.
Hey! Oh no! He's dead. Hey!
I can see. I can see.
You can see.
I can see. I can see. Father. I can see.
May the gods be praised.
He's dead.
May the gods be praised.
Hey, gods of our land. Yes, sir. I thank you. Yes.
I see me.
Yes.
You see me.
Yes, I can see.
I never.
What is it?
Let her be.
Are you okay?
She is okay.
Igwe.
Ezemo.
Abago.
It's not
pregnant.
My good people of Lagos, listen. To make Lagos rank #1 on the ease of doing business and transition Lagos to financial capital not just of Nigeria but of Africa. Indeed, to equip all our youth with informal, formal and digital knowledge and skills with a goal to create an Agbero-free Lagos. Vote Labour Party, vote LP. I am Gbadebo Rival and I'm Labour Party candidate for Governor of Lagos State.